If you have already tried many ways to download WhatsApp on your Windows computer or laptop, but none of them really worked, this video is going to be very helpful for you because I'm going to show you the easiest way to download and install WhatsApp on your computer or laptop. All you need to do is just follow along and you're gonna have WhatsApp ready to use on your computer. Let's get started. First, you're going to open the Start menu and go to Microsoft Store. And here you're going to simply go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Here you're going to click it. As you can see, it's for free. You don't need to pay anything. You're just going to simply click on Get. And this is how you can get WhatsApp on your Windows computer laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.